Hey, it's Brock here from Window Cleaning World. Here we have the PowerWash pole from Gardiner. This is based on an SLX pole. This one we have here is a 5-section pole, 25 feet long. This is the trigger with a lockout. Nice comfortable trigger there for when you're using this pole. Here is the screw-on fitting that can be changed out for a quick connect. Like all Gardiner poles, we have a nice pole cap here for protecting the pole when you're using it. With the trigger gun, you can open up these levers here. They're exactly the same as the ones used on the clamps of the pole, and you can situate this lever wherever you like it, further down, further up. The hose that comes with it is just the right amount of length for this pole. Nice and strong, fits up the pole really nicely. If we come up the other end here, we have the same trusted Gardiner clamps, and we also have a really nice swivel up the top here. So if we loosen this wing nut, you can change the angle of that swivel to suit the job. We also have a nice quick connect here. You can change that out. For one of the tips, we have 2 that come in the kit. And I'll just grab here. We also have a row of various tips here. These are really generic. You've probably seen these before. And these will work along with this pole as well. So we also have a 34-foot version, and that's available on the website with this one as well.